Destin is located on the Gulf of Mexico's Florida Panhandle and is known for its beautiful white sand beaches and emerald green water. It is also known as the world's luckiest fishing village. This seaside town is famous for its excellent fishing, challenging golf courses, delectable seafood restaurants and breathtaking vistas of the Gulf. Parasailing, water sports, dolphin cruises, aquariums, amusement parks and other activities are available in Destin. Destin is much more than a little fishing town. It's a place that suits everyone, both young and old. Because of Destin's fishing routes, many local seafood joints have stood the test of time. Mostly due to the locals' friendly hometown feel and of course always being able to serve the freshest catch. Destin is also home to fabulous shopping. If you are looking to shop, Destin has you covered. From outlets to high-end jewelry stores, boutiques and craft shops, and everything in between. But of course you can't come to Destin without burying your toes into the most gorgeous white sand beaches you'll ever experience and swimming in our crystal clear waters. With so much to do and experience in Destin, we are confident that guests who visit will return again and again. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Crab Island is one of Destin's most popular attractions. Hundreds of boats might fit in this small sandbar. Jump out and keep cool while hanging out at this welcoming and unconventional gathering spot. There is also a blow-up slide and a floating bar in the middle. Locals and visitors both like this Destin hotspot. Keep in mind though that Crab Island is only accessible by boat. Luckily, there are several rental companies happy to rent you one. If you ever made the trip to the Emerald Coast, Destin specifically, there is a great chance you have heard of Crab Island. Crab Island is one of the most popular attractions in all of Destin. Featured on HGTV and Good Morning America, Crab Island's fame has been growing at a rapid pace. The shallow emerald green waters, obstacle courses and floating bars have made it one of the most popular things to do on the entire Gulf Coast. Today, Crab Island is nothing more than a raised sandbar. At one point it actually was an island, but sands from the Gulf of Mexico have eroded it over the years to turn it in what it is today. In most places on Crab Island, the depth of the water is about 1 to 4 feet. It's the perfect place to anchor your boat down and have a good time out in the sun.